Welcome back to another video. Let's solve question number 5 of exercise 2.2 of maths, class 12. So we have question number 5. Question number 5. Tan inverse cos of x minus sine of x divided by cos of x plus sine of x. So this is the question. And the full question is minus pi by 4 that x belongs to greater than minus pi by 4 less than p by 1. Here you can see the question as well. Okay, now let us solve step by step. So we have this cos equation and tan inverse. So we try to convert this equation into tan form so that we can cancel out tan inverse and tan, right? So we know that sine theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Okay? Tan theta is equals to sine theta upon cos theta. Right? So here we'll put in the place of x. So we'll write tan inverse. We'll divide numerator and denominator by cos x so that we can convert into the form of tan. So tan inverse cos of x divided by cos of x minus sine of x divided by cos of x, and then whole divided by cos of x divided by cos of x plus sine of x divided by cos of x. Here we have divided cos x from numerator to denominator. So this will be 1 and 1. So let's check into the next page. Yeah. So here we can write it as a tan inverse 1 minus sine of x divided by cos of x and whole divided by 1 plus sine of x divided by cos of x. And we can write it as tan inverse 1 minus tan of x divided by 1 plus tan of x, right? We can write this into this one. Okay? And we know that one thing, tan pi by 4 is equals to 1. And we also know one formula. Let me write it here. And we also know one formula. Let me write it down for you here, which is tan A minus B, which is equals to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. It is going out of page. You can write, you can add B here. Okay. So tan A minus tan B. So we'll exactly pick this value so that we can put tan A minus B here. Okay. Now, now further we will solve by taking this equation by continuing. So tan inverse 1 as a tan pi by 4 we can write minus tan of x divided by 1 plus 1, which is tan pi by 4 into tan x. Now this equation and this is also same, where a as a pi by 4 and b as a x. So we will directly write tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus of x. Now we'll cut this 2. So the answer will be pi by 4 minus x. Now you can check the solution by home. So moving on to question number 6. Question number 6, we have tan inverse of x by under root a square minus x square, where x is the mod of x. Okay. So earlier we have seen whenever the a square minus x square is there, we will put the value of x as a sine theta or x a cos theta. Okay, so that we can change it into tan, the whole equation that we will see further. So let the x is equals to a sine theta, and the sine theta is equals to x by theta is equals to sine inverse of x by right. Now we put here tan inverse a sine theta divided by a square minus a sine theta square, and this is under root. Okay, now tan inverse a sine theta divided by under root of a square minus a square sine square theta, right? Now tan inverse a sine theta, and we will take common of a square. So under root of a square 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, and we know that 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So the next step we will write tan inverse a sine theta upon under root of a square cos square. Now both are in the square, so we will take it. Next, we'll write the next step tan inverse a sine theta upon a cos of theta, right? We'll cut this 2, and we also know that sine theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So we'll put this tan inverse tan theta. Now cut these 2, the answer will be theta. The answer will be theta. But from here, we have what the value of theta is sine inverse x by a. We already checked that. So we'll put here value of theta, which is sine inverse x is sine inverse x by a. So this was the question number 6. Let's move on to question number 7.